Hi everyone, George Farmer here, and I'm at Aquarium Gardens with Dave Pearce.
Hi.
Dave's the owner, and we're just here for a quick chat really about this Aquascaper 600 White Evolution Aqua. So when did we set this up, Dave? And can you remember the story behind it?
Well, yeah, well, it was set up probably it's about 9 months ago. So back in October, we were doing a workshop, and George came down to the shop, and we had a number of people in the store watching, and he set up this tank from start to finish. And then basically, yeah, this is the result 9 months later. So yeah, so it's been maintained by myself. George comes in every now and again, well, every week actually now, and helps maintain it as well. So like you say, it's been a bit of a team effort.
And it's kind of transformed quite a lot over the period, isn't it? We had some, I think we had Lobigia palustris in the back to start with, like a red stem plant.
Yeah, to begin with, yeah, we put a fast grower in there because that always helps with beginning with new setups as well. It was nice. It was really bright red at the back.
Yeah.
But as over time, we decided that actually we wanted
a bit too high
maintenance.
maintenance.
Yeah, a bit too high maintenance. Yeah.
And then we had the Hygrophila pinnator feeder was going a bit wild, so we kind of tamed that.
Yeah.
And then we kind of noticed some nutrient deficiencies, wasn't it?
Yeah, they had like
pinholes in the leaves.
Yeah, lots of pinholes in the leaves. So we upped the dosing for nutrients, so mainly nitrogen. So I was adding more nitrogen every day, and also potassium as well.
Yeah. Yeah, because we're using TNC Nutrient Company Complete.
Yeah.
Which has already got NPK.
Yeah.
Because there was hardly any livestock. I think it was just shrimp.
Yeah.
So we weren't adding any fish food really. So it was deficient in probably nitrogen and phosphorus, I would say. And since we've dosing more, and we've added fish as well, the Hygrothila's doing fine. There's no deficiencies at all. Very little algae. There's obviously some algae build up on the rocks, which is natural. And the maintenance is really quite straightforward. It's just a case of cleaning the aquarium glass, siphon off the top layer of the gravel and replace it if required. Thin out the ferns if needed, or the Anubias, the Bucephalandra, the moss.